Okay fellas, let's get to some serious things. And McCulloch, and this battery just lights up red, and the charger shows that you need to scream. Now it's not showing anything, and before that you just show it that you need to scream. Okay, and it will show that again, I believe. Okay, yep. Now it just shows that the battery is faulty, probably. Okay. What a nice screws we have here. It's 4 screws inside. Okay, no. Okay. So we have the housing removed, and okay, this one only for the button. And what can we see here? We have some cells, and probably I can try to drag them. Yep, measure them. Okay. Okay, so maybe this one and this one, 3.5. Okay, this one with this one, 3.14. So that's a sign that something is not good here. 3.15. And basically now we know that this one is out of balance. Yep. Okay, I don't want to see you here. Okay, so if the batteries are not balanced well, we can know that we have the problem. Okay, what we have here, 7 volts. Okay, this one gives us 47, 48, so probably the BMS itself is good. Of course, I don't know, maybe the BMS, this one loves to be locked when disconnected. But basically what we need to do now, we need to check all the cells balance, and probably it will be needed to be replaced, some of the cells, or balance it. But now I can see how they are connected. Okay, if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 14 cells, so they go parallel, probably 3.14, this one goes with this one, 3.13, and this one 3.6, 3.2, so yeah, that's definitely not good. I need to unsolder it to check how everything here is connected. Okay fellas, after some work with the pretty bad solder, we have all the cells here, and now we can check each one for the voltage. So let's start from the top. 3.13, 3.13, 3.15, 3.2, 3.5, that's really not good, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, and 3.5. So we have the, not the first row, we have the 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 batteries out of balance, and this 4, the solder here. So this, and this one is out of balance, and I don't know. We can try to change it, or we can try to balance it. I need to think about it a little bit, because see, okay, it's a pretty, probably it's pretty easy to just swap them, but as you may know, when we swap it, it will be the difference on the inner resistance from the old one and new ones, and that can be the problem. So I will think about that a little bit. Okay, so now we need to connect this. Okay, you can see here helps our marker. Now we need to put everything as it was here on the board. I'm just making sure that all the legs goes nicely in. Okay, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay. We have all the legs in the places. Okay. Now what we have here, we have the tape here. Okay, so this one was like that, so this one was here, and this one probably was something like here, yep. Okay. Maybe do like that. So it's charging. Oh, we can see the result now, all greens. So if you have charged it, that's all. Thank you for watching, thumbs up and bye.